on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be looking at this Neken Handlebar Pad. It's made in France. You know, a little protection for your face while you're out riding. It comes in all kinds of different colors. I specifically chose this color black for the application I'll be putting it on. And you know, I just purchased another white one as well. If you guys are interested though, I'll leave the link down in the description below. You guys are welcome to check them out. So let's take the pad out the package and let's see what this pad is looking like. And right off the back you see an Neken logo. Pretty well made. I don't think it's going anywhere. You flip it around, you have the same logo, and then you have this smaller logo that'll be facing the rider. As you turn it to the side though, you can see the high density foam, about 1.25 inches thick. That should be some good protection for your face. Okay, let's take off the Velcro, and you can see that the high density foam goes all the way through. Let's put the Velcro back on. Let's continue to take a look at this. So you can see that these are the zip ties you're going to mount to handlebars to, and inside you have this heavy duty plastic that the zip ties wrap around. If you take a look right there, you'll see where this sits on top of the handlebars, and that's basically how we're gonna mount them. Overall, what I think about the pad though, I think it looks pretty cool. I do have a little concerns here about the Velcro. I'm hoping in the future that it doesn't unstick. I would kind of do wish though that they added 2 extra zip ties so that you could get this nice and snug to the handlebars, but we're gonna find out. For the install, we're gonna need a pair of snips to cut the zip ties. We're gonna need a T30 torque socket to remove a screw, and we're also gonna need the pad. It's gonna be a pretty simple process. All we gotta do is remove this Seadoo protection pad, and it's simple, easy to remove. You just take your T30 torque socket and you remove that screw there. Just go counterclockwise until it comes out. Once it loosens up, you go ahead and remove the screw. I'm gonna put the screw right back into the hole because I don't want to lose it, plus I don't want nothing to rust out inside of there. So you're gonna mount this protection pad to the handlebars with those 2 zip ties. You're basically gonna put them over the screws. You're gonna have to apply some pressure. You're gonna have to push down. You're gonna have to kind of find a little groove in there, and then once you do, you just take those 2 zip ties and you slide them under the handlebars and zip them up till they're tight. Once you get them zipped up and you cut the zip ties, that's pretty much the install process. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down in the comment section below. If you guys are interested in seeing how this looks on the water, unfortunately I'm in California and it's still cold out here. We're waiting for the temps to kick back up so we can get on the water, but until then, I hope you guys enjoyed.